Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Astro Arichudi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Gemini Zodiac and Ascendant, your Zodiac and 4th house Lord Mercury in the 5th house Libra, giving you strength mentally and telescopic thoughts. Mercury in 5th house without any planets will be very good. Children's welfare will be progressive. Their education will flourish. Mercury aspects over Aries from Libra. Your mindset will be towards profit. Marketing and sales people will be benefited. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. 3rd house Lord Sun in the 4th house will enhance your comforts and luxuries. Government contracts will be beneficial. Politicians will be benefited. Their services will be recognized and appreciated by party head. In the later half of the month, when Sun moves to the 5th house Libra, education will flourish for children. Those who are expecting childbirth can get babies. Politician status will be good for the whole month. 5th and 12th house Lord Venus in 3rd house Leo till October 23rd will fulfill all your small desires and luxuries, and it will help in all the comforts like house, land, vehicle. When he transits to Virgo after October 23rd, as Venus aspects over Aquarius, your 9th house, you may get profit from various projects. Fathers will help and support you. Women and artists will flourish. 6th and 11th house Lord Mars retrograded in 10th house Pisces aspected over by Saturn will make you to win over your enemies. Avoid unnecessary controversies in workplace, business and trading place. Leave the ideas of changing the job or quitting the job. 7th and 10th house Lord Jupiter ruling in Sagittarius, your 7th house, will be beneficial to you in many ways. Spouse relationship will be harmonious and intimate. Friends and partners of the business will be helpful and cooperate. 7th house Jupiter aspects over 11th house Aries, your zodiac Gemini, and 3rd house Leo to make your long-lasting desires fulfilled. You can achieve the expected profit. Siblings will be supportive and helpful. You will be successful in all your endeavors as your zodiac is aspected over by Jupiter. 8th and 9th house Lord Saturn placed in 8th house Capricorn. Avoid unnecessary controversies and conversation. Don't step in for marriage proposals. Don't go in as surety for anyone and don't do any registrations of documents. Be patient with your existing job and drop the idea of changing the job. 8th house Saturn aspects over 10th house Pisces, 2nd house Cancer, 5th house Libra. Postpone starting of new business and trade. Continue existing trade and business sincerely. Avoid anger. Be patient and silence will be the best as you were 2nd house. Cancer is aspected over by Saturn. Avoid unnecessary conversations and controversies. Finance flow will be there to satisfy your needs. Children may behave differently. Ascendant node Dragon Ragu in 12th house Taurus will make your travel long distance and spend more. Other religion and other language speaking people will be helpful. 6th house Descendant node Dragon Ketu in Scorpio may favor you with fortunes. You may be attracted towards spiritual and religious thinking and meditation. Month begins with 2nd house Moon in 10th house Pisces. Your mind will be clear and without any confusions. Moon moves to 8th house on 23rd, 24th and 25th morning. Be careful on these days. Avoid travels and new ventures. Except 8th house Saturn, all the other planetary status is favorable for Gemini. Moreover, your zodiac is aspected over by Jupiter. So finance, children, spouse relation, women, artists, politicians, everything is overall good this month. Based on Moon's transit, favorable dates in October are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 21st, 22nd, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanitam Panjangam. If your ascendant falls in the same zodiac, the set predictions holds good. If otherwise, you go in for the prediction of the zodiac where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. October 2020, planetary status. October 4th, Mars retrogrades to Pisces. October 14th, Mercury retrogression starts. October 16th, Sun moves to Libra. October 23rd, Venus transits to Virgo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.